Western Colorado. We got peppers, tomatoes, bell peppers, melons coming up, more peppers, flowers, lots of tomatoes. Got that there. Got two rows of potatoes. They're not up yet. They've been planted about a week. Onions, garlic, and more onions. This one has kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and a few little onions are planted this morning. These beds haven't been planted yet. This will probably be this one will be peppers, and this one will be tomatoes. We're doing 3 varieties of tomatoes this year: beefsteak, cherry tomatoes, and aromas. So probably one row will be beefsteak, or at least half of it, or maybe the whole row. Cherry tomatoes, it takes a lot of time to pick them, so I'll probably just do 8 feet of cherry tomatoes. Anyway, and then I have some extra dirt left, so I thought I'd just do some mounds back over there in the open and do some melon patches. So made in the strawberry beds. They'll go down the side. They'll go for 3 years, and then you need to catch runners and restart them. And anyway, this one isn't quite planted. They're a little short. Hard to get strawberries from small peonies. It's another one. Makes your cucumbers hang straight, and they're easier to can. I just got to till that into the ground. The rocks don't seem to bother them. Not very good dirt, so this is a mixture of compost and composted horse manure and dirt. This is red onion sets, and red onion sets up to the white, and then that's spring garlic. I think we can see an onion coming up here somewhere right there. Can you see that little green onion coming up? Float that one. Yeah, that one kind of floated up. Anyway, then we got garlic to about here, and then we have carrots to about here, and then we have 3 rows of radishes, and then on the other side of the lath, we'll plant 3 rows of radishes in probably a week. And down here, we have kale with 4 plants on the end. Then we have offsets of broccoli. They're kind of growing little offsets, so they have more room for their leaves. And then this plant is cauliflower. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cauliflower heads. We'll see how that does. And that's all for the raised beds today. Here this afternoon, I'll water them in again, and then I'll work on the drip system for this bed after they're planted. It seems to be easier that way.